Hey guys, on this one, this is a relay module for a EST. Just figured I would show how I wire it up. So we'll try to, that light's kind of bright against that white, so we'll try to cover it up just a little bit here. Say red positive goes to 4, black negative goes to 3, and if you had one going out, you would SLC out, you'd put it on that one. Now this is normally open, so it's 7 is your common, 8 is your normally open. What that's doing is keeping power off of a damper, which is over there. This is the way it was originally wired up, so I'm wiring it back like it was. So whenever fire alarm goes off, it gives this a closure and the damper closes over there. But so I'll put all this back in the box. I just wanted to share with y'all how to wire up an EST relay module for normally open condition. Now whenever you do this, you have to go to the panel. This was kicking a communication fault. It was basically the same model. It was bad. I don't see any water damage or anything like that. It just, I think it's probably surging, if I had to guess, or something from this motor. I don't know, but it's bad. So what you do is you go to the panel and you see the trouble. It doesn't give you that serial number. You had to hit the little enter button on the trouble, and then it shows you that serial number there. Verify that your serial number matches before you go taking the module loose. And then when you go back over there, so you'll have this one missing, and then you'll have the new one. As you can see, that's a totally different serial number. It'll be showing up in there as well, so you just have to add that new one and then put in the description and make sure the correlation groups match up. And they all come with a little sticker like this. So I'm going to take this back to over by the panel, and we'll put it in the panel and then write what it is next to it as well. So there's the cover. I'm just going to go back up there once I'm 100% done. And like I said, this goes over to a damper right there. I told them last time they need to get a heat and air guy here and verify that's the correct state, whether it needs to be open or if it needs to be closed here. So anyway, please like and subscribe. Hope y'all enjoy. If you have any ideas for videos that you'd like to see, definitely post in the comments and I'll try my best to get to them. Like I said, please like and subscribe.